I'm Christoph, Belgium, living in Denmark, and the head mechanic of Tinkoff Saxo. I'm standing here with Robert Kieselowski Team Bike 2015. It's the new tarmac. The new tarmac is assembled with FSA parts, FSA handlebar, FSA seat post, FSA pedal arms with an SRM power meter, an SRM power control, and Shimano Dura-Ace compounds. Front shifter, rear shifter. We are riding with Roval wheels from Specialized. The Roval wheels on Kieselowski's bike here, they are the 40s. We also having 60s for different races. We're using Pro Logo saddles. Depending from rider to rider, we have different shape of saddles. We also have different shape of handlebars. In that case, Kieselowski Robert is using the FSA Plasma handlebar. Also the frame is in the team colors, black with yellow fluo. We're using Look carbon pedals, titanium. In Robert's case, his tension is 20. We also have some riders with 16. Button cages from Light Carbon, made by Tax, supplied by Tax, which is also our supplier for the drinking bottles. The tires, the tubulars, are from Specialized. And not to forget, inside the hubs, the bottom bracket and the front wheel, we have the integrated ceramic speed bearings. As well, in the headset, we have ceramic speed bearings. A very important component which is not seen. Also on Robert's bike, we have a climbing shifter beside from the traditional shifters in the grips. So all the grips have the electronic DA2. Some riders individual have either the extra climbing shifters, so they can shift while they have the hands on the top bar. Some also have extra sprinting shifters integrated underneath the grips. So Robert is very happy about the bike. Also the feedback I had from our riders who was in the team last year was very happy since the first time you were riding the bike. So it was a very big step forwards compared to the SL4, which was already a very good bike.